Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen. Today we have a grinder with us in the shop, and I came in because the grinder was actually not powering on. There's a little screen right here and then of course this whole motherboard behind it. And you have three features. You have your first setting, second setting, and manual. But the moment you flip the switch on the machine to, turn it on and start grinding, nothing would light up. What I found is that on your motherboard, it might be hard to see, but all right here is completely corroded. It seems like one of these capacitors may have leaked, or it looks more like water damage, but again, it's hard to get water inside of this grinder, so you just never know really. But it seems like it completely corroded. You can kind of see a little bit on the back too. Kind of hard to tell, but yeah, this whole part's corroded. This whole side's corroded. So we had to replace the board. Once we replaced the board, as you can see from where to flip the switch, screen lights up, all your buttons highlight, and now you can actually start grinding. So if you were to click one, manual mode or double, and now everything works as normal. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.